Is your Dolce Gusto machine sputtering, brewing weak coffee, or just not performing like it used to? It's likely due for a descale. Descaling removes mineral buildup, ensuring your machine brews the perfect cup every time, and today, I'll walk you through the simple process. First, you'll need a descaling solution. You can use the official Dolce Gusto descaler or a citric acid-based solution readily available online. Mix the descaling solution with fresh water according to the product instructions. Usually, it's about 50 milliliters of solution to 500 milliliters of water, but double-check your product label. Remove the water tank from your Dolce Gusto machine and fill it with the prepared descaling solution. Make sure the tank is properly seated back into the machine. Place a large container or cup under the coffee dispenser to collect the descaling solution as it runs through the machine. Turn on your Dolce Gusto machine. The descaling process varies slightly depending on your model, so consult your machine's manual. Typically, it involves pressing and holding a specific button, like the power button, until the descaling indicator light illuminates. Allow the descaling solution to run completely through the machine and into the container. This might take several minutes. Once the descaling cycle is complete, empty the water tank and rinse it thoroughly with fresh water. Refill the water tank with fresh, clean water. Now, run at least 2 full tanks of fresh water through the machine, just like you did with the descaling solution, to thoroughly rinse out any remaining descaling residue. This is crucial for the taste of your coffee. And there you have it. Your Dolce Gusto machine is now descaled and ready to brew delicious coffee. Remember to descale every few months, depending on your water hardness, to keep your machine running smoothly. Happy brewing!